Introducing Texas Integrated Physics and Chemistry, or Texas IPC, from Activate Learning. Texas IPC is a hands-on blend of physics, chemistry, and earth science that's built for Texas and 100% aligned to the TEKS. At the heart of Texas IPC is a student-centered, project-based inquiry approach. Students delve into laboratory and field investigations, employing critical thinking and scientific problem-solving to make informed decisions. The course is comprised of 5 comprehensive chapters, 2 in physics, 2 in chemistry, and 1 in earth science. Using the TEKS 3D model of science instruction, educators integrate student expectations, science and engineering practices, and recurring themes and concepts seamlessly into lessons by applying hands-on skills and introducing overarching concepts focused on inquiry-based real-world problems. The classroom is transformed into a student-centered environment, emphasizing exploration, collaboration, and real-life applications, culminating in a chapter challenge. These engaging chapter challenges provide a real-world context, encouraging students to apply their knowledge in practical ways, with tasks catering to diverse talents. Challenges include modifying the design of a roller coaster to meet the needs of specific riders, designing an appliance package for a home powered by a wind turbine, and developing a cool chemistry show for a grade school audience. Texas's unique content is woven into the curriculum, with local data used in labs, ensuring relevance and engagement. All content aligns with TEKS, offering flexibility to cover essential topics like the natural resources in Texas and the impact they have on society and the environment. Now let's look at some of the materials provided with Texas IPC. Texas IPC offers both print and digital resources, including hands-on science kits that transform concepts into tangible experiences. Our comprehensive science kits provide everything needed for in-class, student-centered investigations. Professional learning support, implementation guidance, and holistic assessments ensure total support for educators. And with our interactive digital edition, educators have an intuitive tool to plan, teach, assign, and assess lessons. This platform, integrated with leading learning management systems, brings unparalleled ease and efficiency to classroom management. Students use the digital edition like a digital notebook where they capture their predictions, log their data, and model their reasoning, supported by drawing tools. Teachers can monitor student responses in real time and even use them to lead whole class discussions. And it's not just interactive, it's customizable. Teachers can personalize labs and access translation and text-to-speech features, ensuring inclusivity and accessibility for all students. It's 508 and WCAG 2.1 compliant. The Activate Learning digital platform also offers customizable Accessibility tools for web accessibility. The Accessibility widget provides a suite of accessibility tools, allowing students to accommodate Activate Learning lessons to meet their specific needs. The Texas IPC program includes embedded language support for multilingual learners built into our digital platform. The platform is designed for inclusion and offers embedded translation for over 130 languages and text-to-speech with read-along highlighting in 35 languages. Texas IPC is 100% aligned to the English Language Proficiency Standards. To learn more about this transformative approach to science education, go to activatelearning.com/Texas-IPC or just use the QR code at the bottom of the screen.